Hello, this is the virtual tour for 101 7th Avenue West in Floodwood, unit number 4. A warning ahead of time that we are taking a video virtual tour of this unit when it's still partially occupied and not cleaned. Once you move in, the property will be 100% clean, painted, and whatever else needs to be done. The greatest thing about this unit is it's huge. It's absolutely enormous. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and you, the tenant, would pay also electric and internet. So it's a really wide staircase. And then the laundry room is right here. Washer, dryer, and also we have the water heater there. And this goes down to the basement. So we're going to go up the stairs here. This upper unit used to be 2 units, but it was consolidated down into one big, large unit. As we enter the doorway here off to the right, you'll see that you have your own furnace. And there's like a little storage utility room here. Then we'll go this way and you can see this huge, large kitchen with dishwasher, cabinets, microwave, refrigerator. So combined dining room here. Then we have this huge living area. And the first of 2 bathrooms. That is a closet you saw off to the right. So here's a 3/4 bath with the shower. That is a closet. Now we're going to go back to the master bedroom that has its own bathroom, full bath, and a porch. So if we go straight to this door here, you can see the little porch out here. That's the parking area out back. Here's the bathroom. I'm going to go in here and swing around so you can see it. And then the bedroom's right here. That's a big bedroom. This is even a bigger bedroom. Closet built in. Right here. Home office, right here. Home office, or it could be a little nursery if you had a small baby with a crib, but it is not another bedroom. It is too small to be a bedroom. And then the 3rd bedroom is in the back here. This is the smallest of the actual bedrooms, but it also has its closet. We'll go a little wider here now, so you can see it. Walk through the rest of the place now. Give you one more look at everything real quickly, a little wider angle. We saw the bathroom over there before. Walk through the kitchen again. So if you like what you see here, we are an equal housing property management company. We practice fair housing rules. And so we're giving you this virtual tour right now that will give you enough information along with the pictures that we have posted, and as well as you can drive by the property. Once you've seen a virtual tour, once you've looked at the pictures, and then once you've driven by, you can go back to our website at www.duluthpropertymanagement.com. You can hit the apply now button on this property. Once you apply and that you're approved, we will show you the property in person. Thank you very much for touring today.